Sei vorsichtig, wenn die Geist auf een azige Treppe.
Sei careful when the geist of azige steps.
Agitanala! Hi everyone! Today I'm here with my cousin,
Hi guys, I'm Adel.
and we will be looking today at some Yiddish.
Yeah.
So, Adel, you grew up speaking a little Yiddish, but not that much, right?
Yeah, I used to speak it until I think I was like 8. I would speak it. It was my first language until I was 8. It was the only thing we spoke in my house, like a little bit of English. And then afterwards, we only spoke English. So I haven't really spoken Yiddish in a while.
Yeah. Yeah, I also only spoke Yiddish until I was about 7, 8, but I kept it up afterwards. I think a little bit better than your family.
Yeah, probably.
So the level we speak is a little different at this point.
Yeah, I honestly wish I would have kept it up, but I was little. So.
It's never too late.
Yeah, you're right.
And we'll be testing you today to see what you still remember, how much, and and the differences of the generations, because every couple of years, Yiddish gets a little more diluted with English.
Mm-hmm.
So some of the words that I might have heard growing up, you might have never heard before.
Right.
So let's give it a test. Okay, so the first word. Do you know what the word auto means?
Car.
Yeah.
But I also kind of just know it because in English you say automobile also. So
yeah,
exactly. But I don't think I've ever heard that word in Yiddish, I'm not going to lie.
So the word build. This one I think is used a lot, the English word.
To build something?
It's a noun.
A noun? Build? Hold on. I don't think I've ever heard that word before. Can you say it in a sentence?
Ich neem a Bild van...
Oh, a picture.
Yeah.
A picture. I knew that because there's a person that's in my house right now, an older lady, and she only speaks Yiddish, and she kept asking me to take builds. I don't know if I use that right way, but
yeah, you're good. Yeah, you can say builded, but I get the idea. Yeah. The next word we have is Geschäft. Again, another word that's used a lot, the English word.
Geschäft. I don't know if this is right, but I don't know why. It sounds like creative.
Okay, you're not far off because the word, let's see, beschaffen, maybe that's what you're thinking of.
Okay.
So it does have a similar.
I don't know. I've never heard that before.
It's also a noun.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
It's actually a place.
A plate? Home? A house? I don't know.
Store.
A store.
Yeah.
Geschäft.
So like, you know how you would often say like, "Ich to the store."
Yeah.
So and then like the English word is kind of like thrown in there, like "Ich to the store." Kooi Sachen in the store.
Yeah, it's true.
So yeah, older Yiddish word or more correct Yiddish word would be Geschäft. Next up, we have one that's, or yeah, like even I think my parents, I think wouldn't use this word. Like their generation already uses the English word even.
Mm-hmm.
So still, I think one generation back that used this word a lot. Gebäude.
Ooh.
Another noun and place.
Gebäude? Oh, a noun and a place. I was gonna say something completely different. I was gonna say two, like both. That's what I thought it was. Okay.
Oh, beide. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. What was the word again? Gebäude?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. A noun and a place? A market? I just thought that because of store. I don't know. Hold on.
Yeah, I mean, not a bad guess, honestly.
Yeah, I don't know that word.
It means building.
A building?
Yeah, it kind of comes from, you know, the verb bauen?
Yeah.
So it comes from there, like Gebäude, like something that's already
been
built.
Got it.
Yeah.
That was a hard one.
Yeah, it definitely is, because even my parents wouldn't use this one.
Right.
Like even your mom probably wouldn't use this in everyday life. She would also say like, "Zij bouwen a building."
Yeah. I actually had this conversation with my friend the other day, and she was telling me that a lot of the times when my family will speak Yiddish around her, she'll like understand like half of the sentence, or like if she has like context, if we were speaking English before, she would know what we're saying because there's like so many English words mixed in with Yiddish, so it's easy to understand.
That's true. Okay, the next word we have up is leren.
To learn?
It comes from to learn.
Okay. It comes from to learn?
Yeah, but it's again a noun.
Okay. A noun.
But you're on the right track.
Books, school, Teacher.
Teacher. Yeah.
Teacher?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, but I didn't know that. It literally was a random guess. I was just guessing off of what she gave me.
Yeah. But
I would never know that.
yeah, because again, now we would say the teacher is due. The teacher
Right.
lernt oss in Chile in school.
Yeah. Yeah. It's crazy how much like the language has evolved and changed.
Yeah, it really has, because again, a lot of people don't use the word leren. Sometimes maybe from Yiddish books when I was a kid,
Right.
but I wouldn't say it.
Mhm.
I would say teacher,
Yeah.
just like with a
Teacher
Yiddish
with an
accent.
accent. Yeah.
Yeah, like the teacher. Like you have to roll the R.
Yeah.
And the next word is fabring. There's the verb si fabringen, and then there's the noun afabring.
To bring.
Not quite.
It's the closest thing I could think of. Okay. To bring.
Something you're probably going to be doing today, since it's your birthday.
To celebrate.
Si fabringen means to celebrate.
Okay. See, I feel like that kind of makes sense. I don't know why. Like in my brain, I've probably heard that before.
You might have heard it, and you can guess probably based off to celebrate. What do you do when you celebrate? You have a fabring,
But yeah, a fabring.
a party.
I thought this meant to also celebrate. Got
So
it.
like you celebrate at a party. So si fabringen, afabring.
Right.
Oh, this one, very rare word. Your mom probably knows it, but doesn't use it.
Right.
Kind of thing. The word Oostflug.
What are these words? I've never heard any of these. Okay, say it one more time.
Oostflug.
Oostflug. I cannot even like try to guess what that means. I don't even know. Wait, say the word one more time.
Oostflug.
To outfly. I don't know.
Yeah, it does directly translate to that. Yeah.
A plane? A plane? Airplane?
Not quite. It's a trip.
A trip.
But you're on the right. Yeah, you're on the right track.
Yeah, now it makes sense.
It's in the same general area. Just
Right.
like.
Oh, okay.
So you probably say like, Han ga ik op a trip.
Right, yeah. You say basically you say the word in English with an accent. Roll the R's.
Exactly. But nobody would ever say like "Ga ik
No.
van Oostflug."
No one would say that. Yeah.
Okay. This is a word also pretty niche word.
Mm-hmm.
Yakdus.
I for sure heard this, but I don't know what it means. Okay. I feel like I've heard this. Like discipline? No. I don't know.
No, it's actually a fruit.
A fruit? Okay, never mind. I haven't heard this.
It's like way.
I lied. Okay, yakdos. Oh, it means like just a fruit, or it's like specific fruit.
No, it's a specific kind of fruit.
Okay. What fruit would a yakdos be? If I was a yakdos, what fruit would I be? A peach?
No, but that's a whole word on its own that nobody uses.
Okay, hold on.
Farshka.
Farshka, okay. Wait, yeah. Mango. I don't know, I feel like it was a mango.
No, because mango is just mango.
Right.
But,
Really?
Yeah.
Just mango.
Yeah. Mango doesn't have its own word in Yiddish.
Pear? I don't know, I
Pear is
can't.
bar.
Pineapple?
I think that would be ananas, but I'm not sure.
Oh my, it's crazy, you know all these words. A watermelon.
Wassermelon.
I don't know, what is it?
Strawberry.
A strawberry. I think I have heard the word. I don't know why. It sounds so familiar.
It's very possible you have. I mean, if maybe in childhood, maybe your mom or grandma or some
I think
older
my
Yiddish
grandma might
person.
have called it that. I don't know, but it sounds so familiar. But I wouldn't have guessed it by myself. So
Yeah, because
yeah,
it's such a niche word.
it is. It's so random.
The next word we got is krankschwester.
Sick sister.
I know, it sounds so weird.
A nurse.
Yeah.
Really?
How did you know that?
I don't know. I was thinking like a sick sister, like I guess someone that I don't know how I guessed that. It just sounded like it.
Wow, I'm
good.
impressed. The next word sounds a lot like the English one.
Mhm.
Nummer.
Number?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Number. But a lot of people would say number.
Right.
Like
no,
this is
yeah,
not
no.
telephone number.
Yeah, it's true. With an accent again.
Yeah, exactly. This one you might be able to guess out of like from the context, but maybe like I'm not sure.
Mhm.
Schwimmenbassin.
Swimming pool?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I guess it from the context.
Yeah. Because it has the word schwimmen in there, and I
Yeah.
assumed you know the word schwimmen.
Yeah, I do know the word swimmer.
So-
Swimmer means swimming.
Yeah.
Taking over your job.
You can definitely demonstrate. I mean, the Yiddish you still know quite a bit.
Yeah, I do.
So yeah, and buzzing, nobody uses the word buzzing. Nobody
Hmm.
thinks of it that much, but
I've never heard that word.
yeah, I didn't hear it until recently, honestly.
I was gonna say like a bathing suit, but then
Ah,
I was like, that's Schwimmkleid, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
The next one we've got is an animal,
Mhm.
a fid.
Oh, this is easy. A horse.
Yeah,
I knew that one,
yeah,
but I feel like in Yiddish, hussy.
yeah. A lot of people do say Yiddish and harsi for Yiddish.
Hussy. Yeah.
Harsi. It's so weird. They just kind of do like the cuter, smaller version in English, though.
Right. I think it just like adapts to like, I guess wherever people live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the next up we've got bleem.
Flower.
Yes.
I know that because of Bleemy, like the name.
Ah, true.
Mhm.
Yeah, that is a common girl's name. Yeah, a lot of people would say flower.
Yeah.
Say the flower. We call it flowers.
Mhm. Yeah. No one says Bleeman.
Yeah.
Some people do. It's not
Yeah.
that uncommon.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not like schwimmen buzzing.
Yeah. No one's ever said that.
It's like nowhere near that level.
Yeah.
Or krankschwester.
Yeah.
Okay. How about this one? Male.
Male. Flower.
The other kind of flower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they're both flowers.
Yeah. But it's also, a lot of people say, gieß the flower.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. I don't know how I knew that one, but I just do. I guess I remember it.
It is more commonly used, but
Mhm.
I guess you also heard it a lot more in daily life or something.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. This one is another noun, something you put on. A mantle.
Oh, I know this. I've 100% heard this. It's either a coat or a scarf.
Yeah, you're right.
Which
It's a
one?
coat.
It's a coat?
Yeah.
I knew it.
Shawl is a scarf.
Shawls. Oh,
Next up, a tile.
a tile. Like on a floor. No, I'm joking. That was a joke. Let me think. Tile.
Honestly, though, if a chassid had to say tile on the floor, they would say a tile.
Yeah.
Like that is how they would say it with the accent.
Yeah, they wouldn't say anything else.
Yeah.
Maybe a tea.
Close because the word is tie.
Oh yeah, tile. Medicine. Why did I think that? It sounds like it would be medicine. Maybe because of tea.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Maybe.
Okay, I'm lost.
In the Hasidish English kind of thing, they would say apart. Another way of saying a part. So like a part of something. Like,
Oh, a tile's apart.
yeah,
Oh.
apart instead of saying a tile. A lot of people.
Oh,
say.
like when your teacher will ask you to hand something out. Tile sauce.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Yes. Yeah, it comes from the same thing.
Okay.
Tile sauce or yeah, a tile. Like ich neem nur a tile van, like I'm just taking a part of a part.
Right.
A lot of people say apart.
Right.
Okay, this word, I would say more uncommon than male or bleem or fid. Balipste.
Well, I feel like it has to do something with love because there's lieb in it.
Yes.
Balipsta. Okay. Like lover. Like soulmate.
It's an adjective.
Mm.
So you're on the right path. Just think adjectives.
Someone you love.
It's
Someone you have a crush on.
not quite. It means favorite.
Favorite. Oh. Ooh, that goes. I was just on love, but
yeah, no, it
does.
It does have to do with love.
It does because you love something. It's your favorite.
There's some balipste farbe color. Yeah. Again,
that's another one. You could have done that on me.
I could
I
have.
would never have known that word.
Yeah. Some people say kalir.
Yeah, I have heard that. It's color.
Yeah.
With an accent.
Yeah. But then farb is like the most Yiddish of Yiddish. Balipste farb, balipste essen, balipste. Yeah. But a lot of people say favorite.
Yeah.
Or beste.
Besta. Everyone says besta.
Yeah, it doesn't even make sense there.
Right.
It seems so grammatically incorrect to say beste.
It's true, but like it's grammatically. I mean, I guess in like modern Yiddish, it's grammatically correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sie vorsetzen.
To setzen means to sit. So before you sit, I don't know.
I see why you get there, because food, fad, and then
Yeah.
setzen, but it means to continue.
To continue?
Yeah.
Okay, I would not have guessed that.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it, because a lot of people say sie weitergehen.
Yeah.
So,
Gaan warten.
yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, vorsetzen is like the more formal, high Yiddish way of saying continue.
Right.
Okay, this next word is genießen.
I've never heard that. Give me a hint.
It rhymes with a word that has a very similar meaning.
Oh wait, hold on. It rhymes with a word that has a similar meaning.
Zihießen. You know the word zihießen?
Oh yeah. Oh, so to cough.
Yeah, to cough is zihießen.
Zihießen. So to sneeze is to niesen.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah. I would not know that.
But it's kind of like from the news.
Right.
It's like hiesen from the news, so zihnießen. It's kind of cute. If you
That
think
is
about
cute.
it.
That's so cute.
Also, a lot of people wouldn't use it.
Yeah.
Sneeze.
Yeah, or I feel like you would just say hiesen for both. I feel like.
Yeah?
That's
I
how.
haven't heard that.
I don't know. That's how I grew up, but I was like younger, so.
It could be, yeah.
Right.
This one is, I would also say an older word. Winkel.
Dark.
That's tinkle.
Oh.
But very often, in a winkel is a stinkel.
Okay, so I know it's in somewhere. It has to be in like a room.
What part of the room?
A corner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next up, a pose. It sounds a little bit like the English word, actually.
To pose.
No. The English word is pause.
Oh.
Yeah, or recess.
Pose. So,
recess or break or
right.
a pause.
A pose like just a break, like
yeah.
Stop.
Yeah. You can also use it like for recess in school or like at shul when they have the break before Musaf. Sometimes they'll have the pose.
Right.
Okay. We have two more words. Zeitung.
To tell, like to explain. I don't know, because I know you like tell a story or something.
That's true, but it's a noun and it comes a little bit from the word Zat. In Zeitung, it's something that comes out at a certain time every day.
Sunrise.
Newspaper.
Newspaper.
Yeah, I don't know why anyone from our generations would be thinking about a newspaper because
right, like newspapers aren't.
Yeah.
We watch the news.
Exactly.
I don't even watch the news.
Yeah, me neither. If I get any news, it's because my friends text me the news.
Yeah.
Do you see what happened? I'm like, I don't know.
That's so relatable. I literally live under a rock. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, me too. So bottom line, neither of us would ever need the word Zeitung.
Yeah.
This one is very relevant today. Geburtstag.
Birthday. I don't know why that was so obvious. Cause like.
Probably because.
Yeah. Oh, it's my birthday. Oh, God, it's my birthday. So that relates to me.
Yes, Geburtstag, just literally
birthday.
Yeah, Geburts and then Tag.
Very obvious. But everyone says like
birthday.
Yeah, I can't even.
Yeah, not even with like the th sound because there's no th sound in Yiddish, so birthday.
Yeah, and then yeah, that's so true. No one says Geburtstag.
No one, like literally no one.
Yeah,
maybe just like my grandma.
I've never heard that word before. Maybe your grandma.
Yeah, she speaks like a very, very like solid Yiddish.
Right.
So she would say
Geburtstag.
Yeah. Now we have some sentences. I will be saying them in the very proper, correct Yiddish. And if you know, maybe you could like try to figure out the word first and then say them how the sentence would be said in modern day Yiddish.
Okay.
With a more, I guess, more the way you grew up speaking it. And I grew up speaking, but then somehow learned all these words.
Right.
Willst du chocolate kichen?
Okay, my Yiddish grammar is so bad, so I can't get like flamed in the comments. Okay, wait. Say one more time.
Willst du chocolate kichen?
Sie willst haben chocolate cookies.
Kichen is cake, but you were
Cookies.
really close. Wilsty chocolate
Cake.
A cake, yeah.
We'll see chocolate cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, chocolate cake.
Yeah, who doesn't? Okay. This next one has two very, very Yiddish words.
Okay, so if I don't know it, we're gonna have to figure it out first.
Yes. Sei vorsichtig, wenn die Geist auf een azige Trepp.
Okay, we're gonna do word by word. Okay,
Sei vorsichtig.
be responsible. I don't know.
You're not that far off.
Okay,
Vorsichtig is careful.
okay, be careful
Wenn die Geist
when you go
offen
on
azige
icy
Trepp.
stairs.
Yeah,
Okay,
perfect.
so be careful when you go on icy steps. Sei careful wenn die Geist auf eisige steps.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is how it would be said now.
And that's like fully Yiddish nowadays.
Yes, that is like how most Yiddish speakers would say it.
Yeah.
Yeah, azige steps. Sei careful. In Chile nutzt man a Bleier.
Okay, what does Sheila and Blythe mean?
Yeah, those are the two like really set Yiddish words. Chile means school.
Okay, Sheila. So, and then what does Blythe mean?
Bleier. Want to venture a guess, or do you want me to just tell you?
Here, let me guess. A backpack.
It's a pencil.
A pencil. Okay, so in school nutzt man a pencil.
Yeah. Voerst met een auto oder een bicycle?
A bicycle is a bike.
Yeah.
Okay, so die Fuß mit a car oder a bike.
Nice. Bij dem lichtveld haalt men zich te gappen den vlieger.
Okay, hold on.
This also has two very, very Yiddish words.
Okay, what was that word? Lip field or something?
Yeah, liftveld.
Liftfeld.
You might be able to figure out from context what it is because you know the word lift?
Airfield.
Mm-hmm.
So what's an airfield? I don't know.
Like place where you fly into the air.
Airport?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. And what was the other word?
Vlieger.
Okay, so a plane?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, say the sentence all over again.
Beim liftveld haalt men zich gappen den vlieger.
Okay, I'm gonna say what it means in English just to know if I'm right.
Mhm.
In the airport, wait, oh my god, what does behalten mean?
Oh, island is like to rush.
Oh, in the airport, you rush to get the flight, to catch a flight. Okay.
Yeah.
So in the airport,
Airport, yeah.
I forgot the word in Yiddish.
Haalt men zich.
Die haalt men zich,
Maybe gappen the plane.
Oh yeah, gappen the plane. My Yiddish, I could understand it very well, but sometimes I'll forget some words. Gappen the plane.
Yeah,
like I know what gappen means, but I wouldn't have thought of it myself.
Yeah, that's okay. I have that in a lot of languages. Or actually, aeroplane is even more like
Aeroplane. Yeah, that's so true.
I think it's like even more like now Yiddish.
Yeah, it is. That's why I grew up with aeroplane.
Yeah, me too. Aeroplane. Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
This is just. Was is dan bij liebste Farb? Lila, rosa oder geel?
Okay. What's your favorite color? Red?
Rood is red.
Oh. What did you say? Lisa?
Rosa.
Rosa? Pink?
Mhm.
What was the other thing you said?
Lila.
Purple?
Mhm. Oder geel.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Geel, I know. Okay. Wat is dan beste color? Color?
Yeah.
Wat is dan beste color? Pink? Purple?
Yeah.
Purple? Did yellow?
Yeah.
Yellow.
Yeah. There's some of the, like some. I think some would still say geel, and then some of them would say like yellow.
Yellow. Yeah.
Or like kind of Yiddishify the yellow, or even like the word purple, like maybe like purple.
Yeah.
Purple. It's like more
with an accent.
Yeah. But even like the beliebste Farb part could be said as favorite color. Like it's like you did that right. Like it's just
beste
so
color. Yeah.
Yeah.
I sound so stupid whenever I try to make the accent.
You know,
Hurtful.
because you did grow up speaking it this way.
Right. It's true.
You're just like unsure because it's like it just has to come back to you like muscle memory.
True. Yeah.
The next sentence is quite a doozy. Auf Chaneke, it is Chaneke, bekommen Kinder ein Geschenk. Gewöhnlich Spielzeug. Yeah, because we have the word Geschenk and then we have Spielzeug.
And then there's another word also.
Gewöhnlich.
On Hanukkah.
Bekommen Kinder.
Okay, on Hanukkah, kids receive. What was the word after?
Ein Geschenk.
Present.
Nice.
Geschenk. Okay.
Gewöhnlich.
Gewöhnlich. Okay, on Hanukkah, kids receive a present. Gewöhnlich. I don't know what gewöhnlich means.
Usually.
Usually. And then
Spielzeug.
a toy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah, it has the word Spiel in there.
So on Hanukkah, kids receive presents, usually a toy. Okay. Okay, auf Hanukkah, Kinder bekommen Matuna.
Oh yeah, Matuna is not bad. Yeah.
Matuna.
Yeah, or present.
I don't know how to say usually. I'm gonna say usually.
Yeah, you can say gewöhnlich, or you can just say a sachmul.
Oh yeah, a sachmul, a toy. I would say, for me, I would say a sachmul, I think.
Yeah.
If that's how I grew up. So a sachmul, a toy.
Yeah. And definitely we're using the word toy.
Toy, yeah.
Everybody, toy is, there's no dispute about whether you say toy versus Spielzeug.
Yeah, no one would say Spielzeug.
Yeah.
Toy.
Like gewöhnlich, you can maybe say a sachmul, or Geschenk, you can say Matuna,
like,
or
even
present.
Even if it's a game, you'd say a game, right?
Yeah, a game. Nobody would say a Spiel. Yeah, and I think this is it. I think we've covered all the old versus new Yiddish.
Yeah, honestly, even if I didn't do so good, I'm really proud of myself because I knew way more than I thought I did, even though I guessed a lot of it. I thought I was going to know way less, so I'm proud.
Yeah, you knew a lot.
You knew a lot, but it's your video.
Okay, yeah, I mean, I had time to prepare it and just think of which words to use, and I also had a lot more time to restudy Yiddish after I forgot it. You didn't, so coming from that, you did surprisingly well.
I'm very proud of myself. I did way better than I thought I was going to do, honestly. So much for having me on here today.
Thanks for coming. It was so much fun.
It was so much fun. We're going to do more YouTube videos together, hopefully.
Yes, I would love to have you back. Auf Wiedersehen.